Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the sleep mode on your Windows 10. Okay, for that, go to Start menu, click on Setting icon here. After that, go to System option here. Okay, and then you need to choose this option, Power and Sleep option. And now you will see the screen on the battery. Turn it off after. You can choose it never or whatever the time you want to select here. Let's say if I want to never turn off my, so I can choose never. And in the sleep section I need to select here as well never, and this option as well never. So my system is not going to turn off itself and it will remain on all the time. If I turn it off, then it will be done, but before that it will not happen. Okay, so this is the first method you can try. And in the second method, you can choose the control panel option, or you can search on a edit power plan option on the search bar like so, and click on OK option. Now you can choose the option here accordingly. Okay, the minutes as well. So I'm choosing the option which I have already selected here, but you can choose never option if you want, and you can also choose the time as well here. Okay, this is like that, and click on save changes. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.